Alrighty, I'm at this house and cleaning it out. It's for sale. It's a pretty big house. It's got like a basement, a main floor, a second floor, and then a little upper floor. This is the front yard over here, and then there's a garden over here. It goes to the back. This is in the mountains. You can see like a mountain with houses up there, forest, all that. So I'm gonna show you the backyard in a sec, but I thought I'd show you a tour of this house. 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house built in 1979. So here's the front door. So you walk in, when you're cleaning everything's out, it's gonna be dirty, just so you know. As you can see, circulation right there. You walk in, there's a light there and a light there. Go to the right, you see the switches. I think they were painted. There's a vent there. You got a closet here for like maybe a washer and dryer, I don't know. This place already has 2 dishwashers and 2 washers and 2 dryers already. There's a room here, as you can see, closet there. And you walk up, there's stairs there. To the right is like a living room, if you will. Thermostat there, some vents, all that stuff. There's the stairs going up, and I'll show you that. Here's the main floor. There's a fish tank there that we gotta get rid of. This is like the family room here. And I'll show you the backyard real quick. You can go here, and there's another door you could go out. The backyard's very beautiful. There's a hill. Pathway goes all the way up the hill, way up there, which I'll show that in sometime. And I might be able to get a video of the sprinkler system. I'll show you that. But this is, you can see it's dirty. There's a radio in the house. It has like speakers there, speakers over there in the kitchen, which this is the kitchen here. Hold on one second. You can see these come out here, the chairs here. That goes to the basement. There's a smoke alarm there. You can see a speaker there. 2 vents under there. I think there's one there, one over there. And then this is a dishwasher here, which I thought was pretty cool. Same thing with this here. This is also a dishwasher. So they got 2 dishwashers. KitchenAid is the brand. First alert, carbon monoxide alarm there. I'm assuming is what that is. Kitchen sink, stove, good old counter here. Pantry there, stove here, and then other stuff here. There's another door going out. That way is the laundry room. They're taking out the washer and dryer. There was 2 washers and 2 dryers. And I'll show you the basement real quick. So here's the stairs that go to the basement here. These stairs are steep, but they're not as steep as the ones on the 3rd and 2nd floor. So you go to the left, there's a room here. The closet there had fish tanks in it. Now this house is an older style, so it doesn't have smoke alarms in every room like it should, but they added one there. It's gone now, but see, I think that's a radio thing there. I'm not sure. Little room here with a little fireplace there thing, and then there's another kitchen down here. A door going out to the backyard again, which is pretty. So, and then over here is a pantry for this kitchen over here. And then you go this way, that door leads to the garage. So you go here, here's the utility room with the furnace and all that good stuff. And there's the alarm there. And these stairs that lead to the garage here, as you can see. And there's another way to get to the garage, which is by the laundry room upstairs, which I'll show you. And then that's storage under the stairs. This is another bedroom, which I thought was interesting. It has that, of course, but it doesn't have a vent or a smoke alarm in here, which a vent is what surprised me, unless it's in here. Well, there's a little closet here with another furnace. There's several thermostats in this house, and there's like 2 air conditioners outside. This is a pretty big house, so. But I've lived in a bigger house once, which I should have done a tour of, which I think I did. I don't know if I ever published it. More smoke alarm and stuff there. The hallway going down here. I'm gonna find the light switch too, because where is it? Is there one here? Oh, give me 1 second. I gotta find the light switch. Circulation vent there. Okay, I think this does it. Yeah, perfect. This hallway's a maze, and I gotta know where I'm going. Okay, right here is a bathroom. Bathroom, sink, shower, toilet. Over here is a vent there. And then down this hall, there's, let's see if I can switch. Okay, that does that room, and then there's this room. like a work area, if you will. Another one of those. And then you got like storage and stuff. More storage in this room, and then more over here. I'm assuming, I don't know what this was designed to be, but they use it as storage. It's like kind of unfinished. There's no fence or anything in here. So, but yeah. And back up here, there's that bathroom again. This L hall, if you will. Another smoke alarm there that I just realized about. Next to the garage. Vent there. There's the kitchen over here, as you can see. Kind of skinny. Alright. Going upstairs to the second floor. Unless they're done over here. If they're done over here, I'll show you the laundry room. Unofficial laundry room. Oh, that's not good. Water everywhere. But as you can see, this is the laundry room. There's 2 washers here, and then this dryer here, and there's a dryer here. But there was one here. There's also a little half bathroom in here, as you can see. And a vent there. That goes out to the garage. That goes outside. I'll show you the upstairs now. This house is kind of a maze. Go by the foyer to show you. There's the front door again. Here's the upstairs. Another thermostat there, vent there, circulation one there, circulation there. I'm assuming this is the master bedroom. Closet here. I'm assuming that's a first alert or some carbon monoxide detector, I don't know. And all this stuff. And over here is like the master bathroom and stuff, as you can see. Closet there, toilet here. And then there's the other part of the master bedroom. Look at that light, that's pretty cool. And vents on the ceiling like that. I always thought that was cool. You can see the front yard again. Another vent. And then I'll show you. And then there's the stairs going down. You go this way, there's one half of the hallway. There's a smoke alarm there. Now, these are interesting. They look really old. I've seen them in videos and never seen them in real life. Bathroom here. And closet. Oh, that's where the toilet is, and then there's a tub. And then, if you haven't noticed, I'm doing this really briefly. I don't know if I went this room. Did I show you this room? I can't remember. I'm in a hurry. There's a bedroom here with a vent there and a closet there. Another one of those. There's that smoke alarm again. There's that bathroom. There's the stairs. Master bedroom. Then there's this room here. Then there's another room here, and then there's more stairs. Now these stairs, getting stuff from up there down there, like heavy stuff, was not easy. Because these stairs are so tiny. I'll show you when I go down and you'll see. There's a circulation vent there, but the thing for it is there. So there's another bedroom here. You can kind of see how, you know, that the stairs go up, look how steep they are. Pretty cool. Closet there. One of these, I'm not sure what type of smoke alarm this is. I think it says first alert. But there's one there, one up there, and then one over here again. And then I think there was one added here that it took off, and then there was one added here that's still on there. And yeah. Okay, that one was interesting looking. Anyways, there's this room here, another one of those. And then the end of the hall is that smoke alarm again, another one. The light switch there, which has one pretty cool looking. In the end of the hall, a bathroom here. And this is all one room, so this is like another master bedroom, I guess, if you will. Got like these cool lights here. Vent, ceiling fan, closet here. And then another one of these. It's a pretty cool light switch. And then now I'll show you the very top floor. Where these stairs are. This is like the bonus room, if you will. The very, very top. It's got vents on the sides there. It's like matches with the roof. All this closet there in the middle, and then you could like, and there's another bedroom over here with a closet there and vents in here and stuff. And you can see out the house there. And then, yep. So I'm going to show you the outside. That's the window. I'm going to show you the outside now. Walk all the way to the very back of the backyard, which is like up on the mountain. I don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty cool. These stairs are steep, as you can see. Now I'll go down the stairs and show you. Now we're on the main floor. gonna go out the backyard and show you that. So you walk out, you see some grass here, garden all up here as you can see. And you can walk your way up, there's a shed there, and you can walk your way up here. And then there's a path there, and you could even go this way. And you can see there's these really tall sprinklers here that are pretty cool. Hope I could get a video of those. It goes all the way along there. And then there's all these ground cover, another sprinkler there, kind of a tall one, not as tall. And then just keep going up, and then got a garden over here, garden over there. You just keep going up and up the mountain. It's pretty cool. That was a pretty cool moth thing or whatever that was. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I don't know if there's any sprinklers up here. I saw some. I'm not sure if they're part of the system or not. I can see a capped one there. And this is unfinished, but you can see it just goes up to there. And then that's the house. And over there is the side yard and all that is stuff. You can go over here. All this is like what the ground around here looks like when it's not watered by sprinklers. Weeds will grow in and grass will die, and just native plants and weeds, usually pokey ones. And you got gamble oaks in the mountains there. Shrub oaks is also what they're called. Pretty flowers there. Big old sprinkler there, sticking up. Just all those taller ones. And then, sorry, I'm so out of breath. There's some capped ones over there. Then there's like more stuff over here, and I don't know if it ends or if there's a fence. I don't think there's a fence because it's just trees and stuff. You don't really need a fence, but another shed there. And there's all these gamble oaks, which is like, I bet deer come around here and all that stuff. So, thought I'd show you that. And down there is where the garage is in the side yard. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. You can see a beautiful view, like the mountains and stuff. Houses up there. Anyways, I will see if I can do a video of the sprinkler system at this place. It'll probably be tomorrow. Cannot make any promises. I would love to do a video of them, but I don't know for sure. I'm gonna have to get permission. So as long as they say yes and I can get that done for you, I will completely do that. I'd love to. And I really hope I can, because I'm curious to see the sprinkler system. I know where the timer is. It's in the garage. I'm super curious. So I'm going to head down there and show you the back patio. I haven't shown you that. You can kind of go that way. There's those tall sprinklers again. There's a tall one there too. I think it's tall as heck. It's so tall. You see those too often. Usually they're not that tall. There's one there too. Pretty cool. This one. What is this one? Oh, this one's got the rotary nozzle. It's like the ones I have. That's cool. That looks weird. I didn't recognize it at first. Alright. This really beautiful yard. This house price is like over $1 million. So it was built in 1979, just like my mom's house. My mom's house is 1979, I believe. Older houses are always better. You see the patio here. More plants, covers, and stuff. That's the door to the garage, and you walk around. You can park your car over here if you need it. Oh, here's the air conditioners. Is there 2 or 3? Oh, there's 3. I thought there was 2. 1, 2, 3. Pretty cool. The side yard goes all the way down there. So thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoy.